Okay, hello guys, it's Chris from FFP and I'm down here at the debut of Who. I'm here with Aime. How are you feeling?
Incredible.
Incredible. I like that. After seeing a film like that, I feel incredible as well. So what's your thoughts on the film? Is it what you expected?
It is beyond what I expected, actually, because I was expecting something from the personality that we know from him, from the vines, from the videos. We were definitely expecting some Wil Aime, you know, and we had that, and we had even more than that, basically. So I don't even know if someone could predict something like that, and it's just the word is definitely amazing. It's a masterpiece.
Okay, what's something from this film you're gonna walk away with? Because I know there's been so many emotional scenes, so much twist. What's gonna stay with you?
What stays with me is actually the who. Actually, is the title itself stays with me. Who, because it's just a mirror effect, because everyone has that kind of dark aspect of themselves. So I really love that idea of seeing what other people can do, but what about yourself, and what about how you manage your emotions. Basically, I really love that.
Exactly that. And what do you think about the characters in the film then? There's so many different types of people, you've seen different sides. How do you feel about that?
The characters, first, before talking about the characters, the casting is amazing. The casting was just immaculate. I mean, watching the movie, I could not imagine somebody else playing the different people. I cannot imagine somebody else playing Walter or Moses, for example. It's just spot on. Perfect. And then their personalities, they're extremely well written. It's like you could develop a whole movie based on each of the characters. It's just incredible. And I think that is, for a first movie, that is basically an enormous foundation, because it gives a lot of people go back with questions. And now it gives you a lot of material, basically, to develop a lot more of things that people are waiting for. Because if there is another movie just based on one single character, not the main character, but other characters, I bet everyone would still watch them, because it was really well detailed.
I know I would watch it, guys.
Yeah.
So if you had to describe the film in 3 words, what 3 words would you pick?
The first one would be authentic. It's really authentic, and it's really, I don't know if I would attach that to the first one, but it's Wil Aime, basically. Like, I don't think nobody else could do that. It's basically him, and that is what makes the film more special. Another word will be psychological.
Psychological, yeah.
Yeah. It plays with you.
Spins on your mind,
It spins on your mind with the characters, but also with yourself. You think about the characters, you think about yourself, and it plays with your mind. And I love that. I really love those kind of scenes.
There we go, guys. Make sure you check it out on Disney Plus in a few weeks.
You have to. People have to just watch it, please, and watch it again, because I'm sure I will watch it again. I have to notice all what I know I haven't. So people, please just go and watch this movie.
I'm definitely watching it again. All right, thanks a lot for that then, yeah? Thank you.